In this tutorial, we are going to learn about when to use semicolons in JavaScript. A semicolon in JavaScript is used to separate statements, but it is not always necessary. JavaScript interpreters insert a semicolon automatically at the end of a line if it is missing, which is called automatic semicolon insertion, ASI. However, it's a good practice to always use semicolons to avoid any potential issues. Here, we have a statement that is printing out hello, world. The semicolon at the end is used to indicate the end of the statement. As you can see, the console has printed hello, world. This is the output from our console.log statement. Now, let's see an example where semicolons are absolutely necessary.
In this series of statements, we are declaring three variables x, y, and z.
We are then adding x and y and storing the result in z. Each statement is separated by a semicolon. If we do not include the semicolons, JavaScript will not be able to understand that these are separate instructions. The console has printed out the number 7, which is the result of adding 3 and 4. While semicolons are not always necessary in JavaScript, they can help to make your code more readable and prevent potential issues. So, it's a good practice to always use them. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you now understand when and why to use semicolons in JavaScript. Keep practicing and happy coding.